All right, so there's two ways to get approved for the TikTok Shop affiliate program. So in this video, I'm gonna walk you through both those methods, but the second one is actually a lot less work and it's really, really quick. So you'll be able to get to 5,000 followers, which is the minimum within a day. Now, if you're in the US or the UK, you're good, but if you're not in one of those countries, I'll leave a link below that will let you know if this program is available in your country. Now, before I get into these two methods, I wanna talk about something that people are doing right now called the workaround method or the loophole method. This is where you create a TikTok page and then a TikTok shop and then connect your shop to your page, which will automatically get you into the program. So I can tell you from my bad experiences with that, do not do it. Don't fall for these shortcuts. Don't take shortcuts, especially with TikTok and all these other platforms. You don't want to take shortcuts. You don't want to lose your account. So the two methods I'm going to talk about in this video work perfectly fine, and you should be able to get 5K followers within a day with the second method. All right, let's hop over to my computer. All right, so method number one is just getting organic followers. This is basically you're just posting viral videos until you hit 5,000 followers. So what type of videos should you actually post? Now, ideally, you want to be posting shorter videos that will get a lot of views and have more potential to go viral, because if people rewatch the video, probably going to go more viral than something that is longer. Plus, shorter videos are really easy to create. For example, you could create AI generated videos. Now, it could be a storytelling video, jokes, or just cool images created with AI. If you want to go that route, there's a company called ShortX. It's shortx.ai. There might be a free version of this, but you will have to pay for it. But either way, it makes really, really good videos, kind of like this. You basically just give them a prompt and they will create the story, the visuals, and all the text on screen, including the voiceover. So you could create a bunch of these things and post them over time. Ideally, you got to have a call to action at the end of the video to follow you, so people actually do follow you. But if you create these videos, you should be able to get 5,000 followers relatively quickly. I would say within a month or two. And if you're really good, if you're posting 3-4 times a day, then within a month should be a pretty good goal. Another way to do it is just with viral video clips, and you can get clips from viralhog.com. So this is viralhog.com, and what you can do is actually go through the trending ones here and see which ones you could use in a video, or I should say see which ones you could download and kind of edit it so people can actually start following you. Like, here's the protesters that blocked the Golden Gate Bridge. Here's a video where a tree falls. So let's take a look at that. Yeah, a tree randomly falling. That's pretty crazy. This would probably go viral pretty quickly. Now, when you're taking clips from viralhog.com, they will have the large screen and they will have the vertical videos too. So don't worry about that. Just find some vertical videos that you can use. I do recommend posting in your caption the owner of the video for sure, but what you can do is just right click and then say video as, and then you can take it into CapCut and edit it how you need to actually get followers. So if you want to get those followers organically, those are the two types of ways I suggest to do it. You could make your own videos, but that takes a lot more time and creativity, and you're not going to know if it's going to go viral or not. Like a lot of these AI videos and viral clips from ViralHog, you actually know that they're going to go viral, so you can actually get followers pretty quickly. So method two, this is the paid organic method, meaning you're going to pay to promote a video to get followers through the TikTok app. Now, my cost per follow is around 6 cents for this method. So for about $300, you can get 5,000 followers in a day or two. And I'm going to show you the video that I use to get this cost per follow down to 6 cents. Now, before I show you the video, I'm actually going to say that I only tested one video and I created this video myself. It's very short, but if you had a brand new account, and what I'm doing with a brand new account right now is actually creating the account and then creating 6 to 8 images and then testing those images with a small amount of money, maybe $5 or $10, and then seeing which one has the lowest cost per follow. So maybe you can even get one for a penny, 2 pennies, or 3 pennies per follow, which would be nice. But $300 for a 5,000 follower account is actually pretty nice. So here's the video that I made. It just has a text on screen and it has a potato with a smiley face on it. I've seen a few videos, this trend of this text on screen saying, you know, X amount of days left to prove to my boss that this smiling potato is more effective than his marketing strategy. So here's this video I saw. This a friend of mine sent me this video, and it just says, proving to my marketing teacher that I can market a video of a piece of bread falling over better than his marketing course. And then he has, you know, 89,000 out of 100,000 followers. This thing has gotten 5,500 likes. It was posted a day ago. Yeah, this one video has 192,000 views. The day before, 347, 169,000, 642,000, this time with a piece of toast. So what I did is I took this idea and I put it into my own video with this potato, because I don't know, it's something that people don't see every day. Like, people don't see a smiling potato every day on social media, so they're inclined to actually comment and actually follow. So let me show you what the video says. It says 9 days left to prove to my boss that this smiling potato is more effective than his marketing strategy. So let me play the video for you. It just has a little bit of sound, and then I just put the follow in there. So that's it. I mean, it's a 6-second video. So here's my account, and I promoted this. It has 69 900 likes, 133 comments, and the comments are like, well, I mean, the potato was very polite. This person said, I'm not sure what you sell, but you got me hooked. Oh dear, I seem to have clicked follow. That potato is very polite. I don't know what you're selling, but I'll take 3. He was polite, so I followed. This person said, your boss was right. That's funny. The potato was very positive, helped me see life differently. 10 stars, do recommend. So all these people think it's pretty funny that I just have a potato out here that just says follow, and that's it. That's the whole way. And right now, I'm almost going to hit 5,000 followers with this account. I'll probably be doing that in the next few hours. It says right here. But 1 day ago, I posted this. I'm at 4,274 followers, and I started with 1,400. So I've gotten about 2,800 subscribers or so, and I think I have like 50 or 60 bucks left to spend, and I spent about $240 to actually promote this video. I tested it with a $30 like test run. I saw that I was getting like 7 or 8 cents per like. I was fine, or per follow, I should say, and I was fine with that. So then I went on and created a new promote campaign with a $210 limit. So I calculated it out, that's 6 cents per follow, and then you just did the math on that, and that's how much I needed to spend, was about $210. And I'm going to be about 50 to 100 people over that once it spends all the money. Now, in order to promote this video, I actually went on the app, and there's 3 dots, and then you scroll over, you click promote, and then you click followers, and you just run how many followers you need, basically based off of the 6 cents that you need to do this. But what I suggest you do is find something that you can put a smiley face on. Maybe it is a potato, maybe it is something that people don't see very often, maybe it's a smiling banana, or maybe it's just some weird chair that you have in your house that has a smiley face on it. It doesn't have to be a smiley face thing, but just grab something that people usually don't see very often, and then create a 7 to 10 second video, 5 to 10 second video with that. Put the text on screen, post it, and then test it with like $10 to $25. Let that run for, 6 to 12 hours, something like that, and then see what your cost per follow is. And you can do this with multiple videos. So if you had a brand new account, I would probably post 6 to 8 videos, promote all of them with $5, see which one of those videos has the lowest cost per follow. And then let's say you have a 5-cent cost per follow on your best video. So you would go in and promote that same video with however many followers you need. So if you needed 4,900 people to get into the affiliate program, you multiply that times 0.05. So $245, just get a $245 campaign. If you want to spend that in 1 day, you can. If you want to spend it over a week, you can. It doesn't really matter. I'm spending all my money in 1 day. All right, I hope that helps. If you need viral product ideas for TikTok, make sure to sign up to the newsletter. I'll leave a link in the description. Every week I post a new product, and I create hook ideas and all kinds of stuff for that product, so you can create better videos, hopefully go viral, and make a bunch of money. So I'll leave the link below.